What's up, beauties? Welcome back to my channel. Guess what? Oh my god, like I've been so down lately, and this moment just brighten up my whole week. So I decided to share with you guys. So yeah, this is an unexpected video, you all. Like, yeah, I just received the post, and guess what? My Google AdSense pin just arrived. Before we go further with the video, I thought it wise to explain what this pin is all about. Before you get to the stage of applying for monetization, you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Once you get that, you have to go through 3 stages. Once you've gone through 3 stages, you need a threshold of $10 in your account. Once you have that, they'll send you this pin, and after you've had this pin, usually it takes 2 to 4 weeks to arrive, but unfortunately mine took about 4 weeks to arrive. If you want me to make a detailed tutorial of how to go through the process of monetization, please do let me know down in the comment section below, and I'll gladly do that. Okay, now let's get back straight into the
Guys, I've
video.
been waiting for this pin for the past 2 months. I have applied, reapplied, and I thought maybe there was something wrong with my address. I had to check and recheck because I created AdSense since 2019 when I knew nothing about the Google AdSense. Look at my baby. Say hello. Say hello. Say please subscribe to my mommy's channel and join the family, because in this family we have lots of fun. So guys, this is my Google AdSense. I'll go straight away and put in the pin because I already passed the threshold of the monthly payment. I've been waiting for this pin for the past 2 months. It's just been crazy, guys. I had to apply. I was even scared that I don't know, maybe something is wrong with my Google AdSense because I created it without having any knowledge about it. And they say the least complication will just make things more complicated. So, but I'm from dropping my daughter in school, and my God, when I just opened the door, I saw this, guys. Guys, sorry, we are everywhere. We are just so excited. We decided to share this moment with you. Look at me. Yeah, can you see this? I had a burn when I was cooking. That's part of being a woman. I had a burn when I was cooking. But we're not here to talk about my scar. We're here to talk about my Google AdSense. I'll just go in straight away, put the pin, and yep, we will start receiving YouTube money. So I want to take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers, guys. I love you so very much. You have been there for me. Like, it's been over 2 weeks now I've not posted. I have a lot going on. Honestly, I have to put a lot of things together. It's not like I don't have content. I have content, but just know I don't have the time to edit. But I promise I'll get back on my feet and I'll make things better. Please, I need your prayers. Do pray for me. This is just a happy moment I wanted to share with you guys. This is the raw footage. I'll post it like this. Sorry if my baby was shaking the camera. I'm holding my phone with my hand because, like I said, this is just unplanned. I wanted to share this moment with you guys. Don't mind, I'm just all over the place. I and Sparkle, my baby's name is Sparkle, by the way. I and Sparkle, we are all over the place. We just want to say thank you. Thank you for your prayers. Please keep praying for me. Keep praying for the growth of this channel, and I believe that we will do a lot of things together. Yeah, I'm trying to get back on my feet, and guys, I love you so much. Thank you. I'll leave you now, and I will just go put in my pin. Bye.